Hello friends.
And welcome back to our channel. Today, I have a heartwarming story for you that's perfect for a sunny day. It's all about new beginnings, a little bit of patience, and the magic of nature. So, get comfortable, and let's dive into this wonderful tale. One bright and sunny morning, Teacher Lily greeted her little students with a warm, gentle smile. "Good morning, everyone," she said softly. "Today, we're going to do something very special. We are going to grow a plant together." The children's eyes lit up with excitement. Teacher Lily held up her hand and showed them a tiny, brown seed resting in her palm. "This seed is very small," she exclaimed, "but inside, it holds a big secret." The children leaned in, their faces full of curiosity. Next, Teacher Lily brought out a pot filled with dark, soft soil. "Go ahead, you can touch it," she encouraged them. One by one, the children reached out and felt the cool, crumbly earth between their fingers. "Now," said Teacher Lily, "we need to give our seed a home. Let's put the seed into the soil." Each child carefully took a turn placing a seed into the pot. "That's it," she said. "Now, cover it gently, like you're tucking it into bed." With tiny hands, they carefully pushed the soil over the seeds. Then, Teacher Lily took a small watering can. "What do you think plants need to grow?" she asked. "Water!" the children shouted. She smiled and poured a little water over the soil. "That's right. Water helps the seed wake up and start to grow." Throw. From that day on, it became a daily ritual. Every morning, the children would rush over to the pot. "Hello, seed. Are you awake yet?" they would whisper. They watched and they waited, full of hope. Then, one morning, something amazing happened. A tiny little green sprout had pushed its way up through the soil, reaching for the light. "Wow! Look!" The children gasped in amazement. They gathered around, their faces filled with joy and wonder. Teacher Lily knelt beside them. "You see," she said kindly, "all it needed was some warm sun, a little bit of water, and a whole lot of love from all of you. That's the secret to helping things grow." The children clapped their hands and cheered. They felt so proud of their little plant. "We love our plant," they all said together, beaming with happiness. And as the days turned into weeks, their little sprout grew taller and stronger, a happy, leafy plant reaching for the sky. It was a beautiful reminder that even the smallest things can grow into something wonderful with a little care and a lot of love. Thank you so much for listening to this sweet story with me. I hope it brought a smile to your face, too. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more stories. See you next time!